guys! Welcome back to my channel, Inday Badiday Vlog. So guys, nandito po kami ngayon para gagawin po ang challenge na Chubby Bunny! But before that guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button para updated po kayong lahat sa mga gagawin naming mga kalokohan. So guys, magja-jack and poll po kami. Kung sino yung talo, siya maglalagay sa bibig na magsasabing, Chubby Bunny. Let's go! Ayan. One, two, three. Chubby Bunny. One, two, three. Chubby Bunny.
Boy.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh my God.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Huwag mong kakainin. Don't eat it. Kasi malaki ng bunganga mo eh. Ah? Ah? Oops! Tanggal mo yan. Oh, tama na.
Oh, guys, the first game, talo ako. Naiyak na po ako dahil sobrang my mouth is really full. So, we're going to have take two. I want to beat her. Give me water. One, two, three. One, two, three. Another one. Chubby Bunny. One, two, three. Facing the camera.
Chubby Bunny.
Cute. One, two, three. Cute. Chubby Bunny. One, two, three. Chubby Bunny. One, two, three. What the hell? One, two, three. What? What is this? Chubby Bunny. One, two, three. What? One, two, three.
Ayun guys, nakadalawang round kami pero talo pa rin siya. Kaya ililibre niya ako mamaya ng isda.
So guys, yun na nga. Take 1, take 2, puro ako talo. So ngayon naman, siya lang mag-isa guys, parurusahan ko to. Bawat bigay ko sa'yo ha, magsalita ka, Chubby Bunny. Go!
Wait! Chubby Bunny.
Kid?
My God.
Ano na? Sige!
Chubby Bunny.
Kasi yung masaya naman ang pagsasabi. Sige! Say!
Chubby Bunny.
Again! Again! Another one. Uy! Uy ko!
Chubby Bunny.
Another one. You put this thing, you put those. Another one. You can handle it. Hurry up. No! Hey! Ew! Not in the towel! My goodness! Yan guys, naparusahan ko siya guys. Kasi guys, lagi akong natatalo. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, ikaw naman, yung ikaw lang ikaw lang maglaro. Aray, yung utong ko guys, pasensya na kayo. So guys, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button para updated ka sa lahat ng mga kagaguhan natin. So guys, that's it for today. And bye-bye. Bye everyone. See you on my next vlog. Bye!